Let's move on to our next question answer, that is multiple choice question. So we have three. I have collected three of the MCQs. Let's go on with it. Number A is, in which year the Haor was declared as an ecologically critical area? We have read about this, right? Let's go back to our passage and find out the answer. Ecologically, right? Okay, let's find out. See, I have found ecologically critical area. So it's talking about this Haor was declared as an ecologically critical area in April 1999 by the government of Bangladesh. So we got the A year, April 1999. Okay, so yes, this is our answer. In 1999, the Haor was declared as an ecologically critical area. Number B, the synonym of tributary is. Now, what is the synonym for tributary? Tributary means আমরা জানি যে it's a channel, it's a stream of river that is flowing into another big river, right? So let's see. Number one is source, উৎস, ঠিক আছে? Primary means প্রধান, মানে initial. Branch means branching out, alright? Original. Now, what do you think? There are lots of meanings. The meanings are very contradictory. In that case, let's just categorize them. Like, what is the odd one out? All right. Okay. First one is source, utsho. Primary means the first one, and the main one actually. Branch is like shakha proshakha bolte gele. Number 4 is original. So, if we were talking about tributary, I would say it is the source. Alright, it is the source. এখান থেকেই কিন্তু বুড়িগঙ্গা থেকেই গঙ্গায় যাচ্ছে, ধলেশ্বরী হয়ে বঙ্গোপসাগরে যাচ্ছে. So the Buriganga was the tributary for the Bay of Bengal. So that's the source, right? This is the answer. Number C, Hakaluki Haor is known as a good grazing land in spring, monsoon, summer, winter. কখন যায় ওই যে ইয়ে করতে, গরু, ছাগল, মহিষ এদেরকে চড়াতে জানি কখন যায়? উইন্টারে, বিকজ তখন ড্রাই সিজন চলে, তাই না? No water is there, so they can graze peacefully. Anyway, so we are on with the first question answers. So let's see. Why is Hakaluki Haor an important source of fisheries? কেন Hakaluki Haor fisheries এর জন্য কেন এত important? Let's go back to our first passage. No, they haven't talked about fisheries yet here. It's bounded with Kushiara River. Where are they talking about fisheries? Important source of fisheries for Bangladesh. Cano. Found here from the Kushiara, there are frequent upstream movement. Cano bolche? From Kushiara, there are frequent upstream movement of fish towards the bills and tributaries of Hakaluki Haor. The bills in Hakaluki Haor provide winter shelter. Winter shelter there for the mother fisheries. Mother fisheries produce kothay kobe monsoon millions of fries for the entire downstream fishing communities. ঠিক আছে? এখানে বলছে যে কেন এটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট সোর্স, কারণ এখানে এই ধরনের ফিশেস পাওয়া যায়. কালিবাউস, বোয়াল, রুই, ঘাগর, পাবদা, চাপিলা are the main fish species found here. From the Kushiara, there are frequent upstream movement. Okay, so we can add these main fishes are found here. এদের স্পিসিস গুলো আছে. আর কি অ্যাড করতে পারি? এই Hakaluki Haor হচ্ছে winter shelter for mother fisheries. এবং mother fisheries produce millions of fries during the monsoon. Okay, so let's just start. Okay. Hakaluki Haor is an important source of fisheries because why? Hakaluki Haor is an important source of fisheries because there are many important species of fish, like, what were the name of the fishes? Sorry. Let's just go back. Okay. Kalibaus, boal, rui, ghagot, pabda, chapila. Kalibaus, boal, rui, like Kalibaus, boal, sorry, it will be in capital as their name of fishes, rui, pabda, and chapila. Oh, there are ghagot. Forgot to mention ghagot and chapila. So there are many important species of fish like kalibaus are found here. So this is it, alright? Okay, number B. What are mother fisheries? What do they do? Okay, Tarakiye. Let's see what are mother fisheries. The mother fisheries produce millions of fries for the entire downstream. Mother fisheries are the parent fish. If I talk about what are mother fisheries, mother fisheries are the parent fish. Okay. They produce millions of fries in the downstream fisheries community. Alright, that's what they do. They produce millions of fries. Fries means young fish. Alright. So mother fisheries are the parent fish. That's the answer for my first part of the question. And the second part of the answer is they produce, what do they do? They produce millions of fries in the downstream fishery community. Okay, number C. What bird species are seen in Hakaloki Haor in winter? Winter what species, right? What bird species? Okay, the question is what bird species? Bird niye kichu lekha nei. Okay, the Haor is very important place for waterfowls. Species bolte gele bar-headed goose. So these are some bar-headed. We can add bar-headed. What bird species? Bar-headed goose are seen in Hakaloki Haor in winter. Right? Bar-headed goose are seen in Hakaloki Haor in winter. Right? Okay. Let's move on to our next question. What economic benefits does the Haor provide to the locals? What economic benefits does the Haor provide to the locals? Ki dhoroner benefits diye thake? Haor provide to the locals economic benefits. Let's go back to our question. I got it. Okay. The Haor system provides a wide range of economic and non-economic benefits to the local people as well as to the people of Bangladesh. These include fish production. So these are the economic benefits: fish production, rice production, cattle and buffalo rearing, duck rearing, collection of reeds and grasses, and collection of aquatic and other plants. Okay, this is the economic, and the rest of the part is non-economic. So we will write about fish production, rice production, cattle and buffalo rearing, duck rearing, collection of reeds and grasses. Okay, we are going to write about that. The economic benefits the Howard provide to the locals are the economic benefits the Howard provide to the locals are yes, you know, sorry, I forgot about that. Fish production, rice production, fish production, rice production, cattle and ox rearing, duck rearing, last one was the fish production, rice production, cattle and ox rearing, duck rearing, collection of reeds, and grasses. The Howard people provide to the locals are fish production, rice production, cattle and ox rearing, duck rearing, collection of reeds and grasses. These are the economic benefits to the locals. Okay, describe the natural beauty of Hakaluki Howard. I will just leave this up to you. You have to write it all by yourself. You just have to describe the Hakaluki Howard. It's like the beauty. The beauty is all over the passage. You can write about that. It's a scenic beauty during the monsoon and the dry season. তুমি বলতে পারো মনসুনে কি আছে? Natural bowl of water. Dry season মনে হয় যে একটা vast green land with pockets of hills serving as resting places for migratory birds. You can see many migratory birds coming from the other countries. You haven't seen them before, so that can be a better one for you. And this fishing, you can witness fishing there. You can see these birds over there, and also natural beauty, of course, right? So all these things you can just put it into one sentence. Not one sentence, it has asked for a description. Just put it in a paragraph, like 5 to 6 sentences would be enough. All right, do it all by yourself. Next we have a flowchart. It's the last thing we are going to do today from this lesson. All right, okay. The flowchart is asking us to show the importance of Hakaluki Howard. Now, এদের গুরুত্ব কি? এই Hakaluki Howard কি কি দিচ্ছে, কি কি provide করছে? First of all, it is providing economic benefits, protecting the lower floodplains from flash floods. নিচের যে floodplains গুলো আছে যেখানে already flood হয়ে গেছে, flash flood থেকে ওদেরকে protect করছে, ঠিক আছে? Maintaining the supply of fish of the other lower water bodies. মানে maintaining মানে supply of fish টা কিন্তু চলছেই, flash flood হোক, বৃষ্টি হোক, যাই হোক, supply of fish is still on move. All right, providing habitat to migratory and local waterfowl. বিভিন্ন ধরনের water birds যারা আছে এবং migratory birds যারা আছে ওদের জন্য একটা natural habitat create করছে. Contributing to the beauty of the landscape, এবং অবশ্যই natural beauty তেও অনেক পরিমাণে অবদান রাখছে, ঠিক আছে? Becoming a major tourist attraction as it is contributing to the natural beauty for which it is leading to become a natural major tourist attraction, right? So yeah, you can use, I have used providing, protecting, and I lost my pen. All right, providing, protecting, maintaining, providing, contributing, becoming. See the continuity of using present continuous tense here, because it's still doing that, right? It's a process. It's never going to stop until and unless we destroy this water body. Right, let's not do that. So we know how water is beneficial to us, right? So this is it from my part. I would ask you to please practice these. You might find I have provided these flowcharts, these question answers. Try practicing them all by yourself, finding out the answers, designing the answers according to your sentence structure, not according to your, according to the sentence structure. Then I have just provided 3 MCQs. You can just, pick up more MCQs and make it all by yourself. Just while you are reading the passage, just underline, keep a pen or a pencil in your hand, just underline the important lines you might face. All right, and from there it can be any kind of MCQs can come up. All right, so yeah, also try the words. There are words given. Try their synonyms and antonyms. Find them out, practice them all by yourself, just to know that how are they working, right? I will see you in the next lesson. Thank you.